I'm Dr. Anastasia Vella. Today's explainer? We're talking about how to stop cellular suffocation and unlock peak energy.
Dealing with relentless daily fatigue? It's likely a hidden crisis. Your mitochondria are literally suffocating.
Look at the 80-ton bowhead whale. It lives over 200 years with amazing vitality. So their secret?
Unlike us, these mammals thrive in freezing water.
How?
Vastly superior oxygen and DNA management.
Their elite efficiency boils down to one flawless biological rule. Simply put, repair, don't replace. We can totally copy this using the oxygen-iron link. Bioavailable iron delivers vital oxygen straight into our mitochondria. Enter the CibXP complex. You'll find this powerhouse in VILAVI T8 Extra 90%. Bioavailable iron oxygenates cells, while polyprenols mimic the whale. They repair damaged membranes instead of replacing them. Want to emulate that whale energy? Just dissolve a simple 2 ml daily serving of VILAVANIan water.
The science is crystal clear. Are you going to let your cells suffocate, or will you start repairing them today?